Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to add music to your Instagram story without sticker. Before we get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. First of all, open your Instagram app on your smartphone. This trick is similar on both Android and iOS device, so you don't have to worry about anything. Okay, now click on the add story option. To add a story on your Instagram ID, after that select any picture that you want to add to your Instagram story. Now you can also adjust the size and orientation of the story to fit what you like. Now to add music to your story, click on this icon as shown in the red box. From here you will see many options, but you need to click on this music option. After that you will find a lot of music to choose from. You can search for any music on this section, but for now I am just going to select this first one. Okay, this music does not have any lyrics, but you can actually drag this music icon on the screen just like I am doing now. To hide this music icon from the screen, drag this icon to bottom. If you drag it down, then you can actually delete the music, but what you need to do is just simply drag the music icon and pass it without touching the delete option. Remember not to touch the delete icon and drag it below the screen. This way you can actually hide the music icon without deleting the music of your story. Okay, as you can see, the music icon is gone, but you will see music is still here. Now just update the story, either clicking on a story or close friends option. I am just going to click on close friends option, but you can simply add me to your story directly. So this is the way how you can actually add music to your story on Instagram. Thanks for watching this video.